Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday, July 18th. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from, not sure where. Let us find out. And hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here comes the cut. And links are going to be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping and get this in no time. Oh, another one of these. Alright, Sensky plug-in LED light, dusk to dawn. Sensky LED, 9 LEDs. And China. Here we go. And this is a 2-pack. There we go. And we already got them set up from the other video. So these are, we already got them set up in the other video. So I'll just show them out of the box. And high, low, see them switch on and off. Sensky. Not sure why they sent another round, but pretty cool. So check them out in the other video a couple days ago. And here's the second one. Bada boom. Nice night light. It's pretty bright actually too. The LEDs. Actually I could put it, I know where. I don't want to go anywhere. Here we go. It's motion, so once like that, and it's pretty bright, but right now, there it goes. There we go. So check them out, Sensky on Amazon. Link is going to be down below. YouTubers, be safe and see you later.